What's going on, guys? Going to cover some price action. Was almost in a long yesterday. I think it missed my entry by a pip or something like that. So just going to cover it, and yeah, let's see what the price action's saying. This is pretty clean. You can see obviously we've had this massive dump in price. So price is likely to come back. You know, start to fill some of the voids, the imbalance, and once we start to, we've got the lows and our highs, the structure, the order flow, we're starting to make higher highs, higher lows. So I was looking for a long trade yesterday, and it played out to a T. So, you know, we could assume after we've had this massive dump off and the structure, the order flow starts to become bullish, we are likely to come up to this. This is just a reaction point. We don't need to trade from it. It's just we believe we're at least going to come up to target this. And the order flow is showing that we're coming back up to touch this POI. So we've got our direction, we've got our highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now we've got a 70% chance of making another higher low to continue with the flow. And you can see clear as day our break of structure here. This is our low, this is our high. So I'm looking for something in the bottom of the leg to trade from. And yesterday there was a couple of POIs I marked up I was interested in. So I was had this one up, and then you can see that this one we've tapped into this POI, so it may have just been, might have been mitigated and had this POI. So I was waiting for a confirmation from this POI that we're going to continue and not come deeper into this one. There was a 5 minute, but I didn't, put any 5 minute POI in or traded from it. I was waiting for a 1 minute confirmation entry. And I was starting to see a good sign here. Prices come down, and you can see there's a fight going on here. We're going to come down, take the liquidity, come back up, get that break of structure. Bearish. Sideways, take the liquidity, market shift, come back in, and then we're looking to take a long and just missed. So this is our break of structure here. And I was looking to trade from here. 6 pips it was. Yeah, you've got your confluence, we've got our direction, we're following structure, and we've taken the Asia lows and target the Asia highs. Obviously, a good place to take profit would be, at these zones here, just in case we're going to come down to lower. So of course you would go break even after structure starts to start to break structure, and you'd also you'd also take some profits. But it plays out to exactly what we thought. Just didn't get tagged, but you could see how close it was to coming back. You could see here as well, like we come up, we break the structure, and then you could see the price action ranging, obviously during Asia. We come down, take the lows, and then what does this leave behind? All this stacked liquidity. And we already know that price wants to make the higher low, and we're going to target the liquidity to come and put in the higher high, and we have the belief that we're going to come up to this to at least get a reaction. We don't know if it's going to continue taking the highs or get a reaction and come lower, but we're not interested in that. We're just trying to get our direction. Everything's aligning. What I'm saying, build your confluences for your trade, and yeah. Would be a nice trade, but yeah, almost. What was that, a pip or something off? But you can clearly see it here. Once we're being respected here, same rule, same everything that's happening. The low, the high, we've come back in to make the higher low, and then we went back up to make the higher high. Exact same thing again. What happened here has happened here, and it happened during my session. So I was looking to take a long. When did this happen? Yeah, New York. So you know, just look at the previous price action, get your confluences for this massive push. This price action is going to come up and fill this imbalance, voids out, whatever you want to call it. We've got a sell zone here that could be targeted, and order flow is showing us that it's starting to come back to this zone, and everything's lining up here. Sweep of liquidity, break of structure, it's in the discount of the leg, yada yada yada. Hope everyone's had good success with their trading, and I will catch you in another video.